Welcome back. As the Prime Minister has just concluded his address on Vande Bharat, 150 years, the glorious years being celebrated. And this is the same issue that has now been raised by the Prime Minister, where he has cited Nehru's 1937 decision questioning why Vande Mataram was fragmented and was truncated. He's called it as a reflection of the partition mindset, raising a fresh debate over the national song. The Prime Minister says Vande Mataram was broken apart, fragmented into pieces, and that division sowed the seeds of partition of our nation.
वंदे मातरम से जुड़ा एक और विषय है जिसकी चर्चा करना उतना ही आवश्यक है। आजादी की लड़ाई में वंदे मातरम की भावना ने पूरे राष्ट्र को प्रकाशित किया था, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से 1937 में वंदे मातरम के महत्वपूर्ण पदों को, उसकी आत्मा के एक हिस्से को अलग कर दिया गया था। वंदे मातरम को तोड़ दिया गया था, उसके टुकड़े किए गए थे। वंदे मातरम के इस विभाजन ने देश के विभाजन के बीज भी बो दिए थे। राष्ट्र निर्माण का ये महामंत्र, इसके साथ ये अन्याय क्यों हुआ?
Well, the Anyay Pragya that has been raised by the BJP and now been mentioned by the Prime Minister himself, accusing the Congress of deliberately distorting Vande Mataram under Nehru's leadership.
Absolutely, Amita, and these are the historical facts that has come to light, and in fact the new generation didn't know about this. This was never taught in the schools because there is allegation by the BJP and RSS that the history that has been taught over the period of time was also biased, was written keeping Nehru-Gandhi dynasty in mind. That is probably the reason why Prime Minister is speaking about these historical facts and also about the leaders of that time that are celebrated by many in the party like Congress today. And in fact, Prime Minister said that when they decided that the Vande Mataram will be truncated, it would also mean that they had seen partition coming. And this is exactly the allegation that BJP and RSS have been making, because those truncated portions of Vande Mataram speaks about our civilizational identity. It speaks about Goddess Durga, it speaks about Goddess Lakshmi, and it also speaks about temples and how that motivated Bankim Chand Chatterjee to see Bharat Mata also in the same shackles that he saw Kali Mata as in the shackles. And this is probably the reason why RSS and BJP still says that.
I think we connected with Mr. C.R. Keswan before, and he is again with us right now. Mr. Keswan, the very points that you've been raising has been mentioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself today, as far as saying that why certain stanzas from Vande Mataram version were actually removed to appease communal sensitivities.
I think Prime Minister Modi ji has already mentioned this before. Even 5 days back in a speech, he had underlined how the Congress party had peddled its communal agenda and removed the soul of Vande Mataram. And today our Prime Minister paid a sterling tribute to Vande Mataram and all the great freedom fighters who chanted Vande Mataram on their lips and they laid down their lives for a country fighting against British. I think we thank Prime Minister Modi ji for recalling the selfless contributions of our great freedom fighters. But it's very important what our Honorable Prime Minister also underlined. He said it is important, as much as it is important to know the greatness of how Vande Mataram instilled patriotism and a nationalistic spirit, our Prime Minister also reiterated that the youth of today should know why the Congress party in its 1937 session cut off certain sections. And also he said by cutting off certain sections, doing politics of polarization and division, they took out the soul of Vande Mataram itself. And these are very strong words from our Prime Minister. And very importantly, Modi ji also underlined that the polarizing forces and the divisive forces which cut out certain verses of Vande Mataram during the Congress session in 1937,
right,
when Pandit Nehru was Congress president, those threats are still pretty much there now. And
that
India
is what
has
the
the
Prime
strength
Minister
to
has
overcome.
said, that it actually sowed the seeds of partition as far as when it comes to appeasement mindset is concerned, and that very Hindu Virodhi mindset that seems to be echoing even today. Thank you very much, Mr. Kesavan, for joining in. We have Anurag Bhadoria as well joining us on the podcast. Anurag Bhadoria जी, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज सच्चाई सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं कि जितना हम वंदे मातरम गा रहे थे पिछले 150 सालों में, वो एक्चुअली टूटा हुआ वर्जन है, वो इनकम्प्लीट वर्जन है। आज पूरा वर्जन गाया गया और ये बताया जा रहा है कि क्यों आखिरकार इसे काट दिया गया, इसे एक तरीके से डिलीट या एडिट कर दिया गया, और वो तब की नेहरू लीडरशिप के अंडर ये किया गया। आखिरकार इसकी वजह क्या है, ये प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज बोलते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। All right. As we are trying to get as many political reactions as possible from the opposition side, in particular the Congress as well, because this, the Prime Minister says, has actually sowed the seed of partition, which even today the country has been bracing the impact to appease certain communal sensitivities. And the BJP today has been drawing a barrel that the Hindu Virodhi mindset still echoes even when it comes to the today's leadership of the opposition. And the BJP is of the point of view that it is imperative for the younger generation to know how the then Congress party and its government and its leadership pandered to its communal agenda.
बंकिम बाबू के पूरे मूल गीत की पंक्तियां हैं, तम ही दुर्गा 10 प्रहरण धारिणी, कमला कमल दल विहारिणी, वाणी विद्यादायिनी, नमामि त्वं नमामि कमलाम, अमलाम अतुलाम, सुजलाम सुबलाम, मातरम वंदे मातरम। अर्थात भारत माता विद्यादायिनी सरस्वती भी है, समृद्धि दायिनी लक्ष्मी भी है, और अस्त्र शस्त्रों को धारण करने वाली दुर्गा भी है। हमें ऐसे ही राष्ट्र का निर्माण करना है, जो ज्ञान, विज्ञान और टेक्नोलॉजी में शीर्ष पर हो, जो विद्या और विज्ञान की ताकत से समृद्धि के पर शीर्ष पर हो।
Now, as far as the controversy now is concerned, because the Prime Minister has made it a point today to make a mention in his today's address, now it seems that it has been overshadowed by politics and a lot of drama that seems